Hey guys. So basically today we're doing the blindfolded makeup challenge. So she's gonna be blinded and she's gonna try and not stab my eye out, but you know, let's just pray for me. But you know, I think it's gonna be good. So please like, subscribe, all of that. Do you have anything to say? Oh wait, will it introduce herself?
Oh yeah, I'm Diane.
She's my best friend.
Obviously.
Anyway, yeah guys, let's just get on with the video.
Trust me, like you.
I'm leaving 4. You're wrong. Okay, basically, so I put stuff on the table in front of her, so let me tip. Okay, so she can just choose, you know, go for it.
Okay.
So you're feeling for foundation. I think she's got it.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, she's got this. Let me like face you, kind of.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Oh!
Okay, that's a face. Is this like a pump? Oh,
No, it's like a stick, so you can like just draw it on my face. Oh my god, I'm scared. Oh!
Wait, I don't know what to do.
Go for it. Just. You want me to hold this so you can like film my face?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, where is your face? Okay.
Oh wow, you really got it going. Oh, Jesus.
I love.
Yeah, sure. It's whatever you're feeling. Alright, she's taking a beauty blender. Come on, you gotta give them a makeup tutorial.
Okay, so this is.
She's blending it out. Beating my face. Oh yeah, you're beating it. You're beating it. We're done. Okay. Concealer. Try and feel for it.
I think I have this concealer, so yeah, I know which one it is.
Okay. Okay. She's
We're gonna
feeling
use
confident.
concealer. I'm
Getting everything
guessing.
focused. Love.
Is it Revlon?
Revolution.
Revlon, you know.
Revlon. Okay. Oh my god, you're gonna actually put
Where's
my
your
eye
eye?
out.
Okay, wait.
I'm making my eyes closed. Oh my god, I'm proper scared.
Where's your other eye?
Wow. I think you want my keep my eyes closed because I really don't. Yeah. I need to stab my eye. Oh.
Okay, where's your chin now? Okay. The other eye. I'm getting severe anxiety right now.
Okay, I'm gonna hand you the powder.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is gonna go all over my jeans.
Do you know what? You're gonna. I'm gonna put it in my hand. This one's hard, so I'm gonna put it in my hand. So I'm gonna put some in my hand, and you're just gonna use it. You can just use my beauty blender to do that. Okay, you got some.
Here's the powder, guys.
Okay, so you wanna put it on my face?
I'm just gonna.
Love that.
Back on track, guys.
Okay. Do you know what? We're set.
Okay, what's that? What's that?
You know, you take a brush and you just sweep away.
Yeah,
whatever.
let's.
It's like sweeping my hair. Yep.
Okay, are we good? Yeah, we're good.
Really good.
Base.
Oh.
Now we're gonna do something nice.
No, that's a two-sided brush, so you have to make sure you get the right side.
Chiseling.
This is too funny. Yes, get that hula bronze action. You're not even pointing it to the camera. So them cheeks go. Wow. If you don't have enough, I don't know what is. We're going for a bronze goddess look.
Okay.
Okay.
That's your ear.
Yes.
So
I love that.
But you're chiseling me to the bone. To the bone. Yep. Get my hair as well because you want bronzed hair.
okay.
You don't know pale hair.
Do you want like
Love that
a
contour.
chiseled chin?
Obviously.
Oh yeah.
I mean, oh.
Wait, where's your chin? Back with the ear tactic.
Yes, the tactic is very good for you. I know why you're doing my contour. Tell them how old you are. You know what you like to do.
Best believe it, I'm 14.
Guys, I'm just really short, by the way, as well.
Yeah.
Do you want the highlight next?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you the highlight brush. Oh, and remember this is like two-sided,
Yeah.
so
I think I'm gonna go for textures.
you're gonna go for textures.
This one's definitely highlight.
Okay, go for it. Okay.
That's your cheekbone.
That is my cheekbone. We love a queen who knows where to highlight even when she's blindfolded.
Highlight is key to life, babes.
Key to life.
Oh.
Oh my god, that's glowing though.
Tip of the nose.
Why is she creasing?
You just put her finger touching my nose. Choose the eyeshadow.
I'm dreading the
Yeah,
mascara.
eyeshadow.
I'm dreading it as well.
Oh,
Okay, here's the eyeshadow
too.
palette. I'm not even going to choose a brush for you, so you just have fun with that. She can just choose what brush she wants.
Okay. I want a fluffy brush.
Okay.
Because we're going to do a nice transition shade. This one. This one, guys.
Are you there digging it in, like?
Imagine if she doesn't pick up the same colour next time. Okay, you just
I
put the
love that.
transition in.
I love that.
Transition.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, okay.
You actually chose the transition right, that's why.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh.
Of all them colours, you actually knew it.
We're going for like a simple glam.
Simple glam, love that.
Now we're just going to jump straight into shimmer shades because
Jump straight in.
Yeah. No.
So, what are you feeling?
No, actually, I'm feeling some colour.
Feeling some colour, right? You go for
Yeah.
it. It's eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Okay, eeny. Wait, how many colours are there?
There's 8.
4 on the top. Okay.
4 on the top front.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't know how it goes, but let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Okay, go for it.
This one, guys.
Okay.
Okay, this is to deepen up the crease.
Yeah, we're gonna deepen it up. And also stab my eye. Guys, if you don't know who Diana is, she's Isabella's younger sister. Isabella's my best friend. She's been in like, I don't know how many videos, probably like 1 or 2, but
She's not that special.
yeah, she's not as special as her. So.
Yeah. Don't touch my leg. Who's touching my leg? I want a flat brush, yeah.
You search for that yourself.
Okay. This one.
That one. Yes.
I'm gonna mix.
Oh yeah, oh well. Mix them all, because then you can't go wrong.
This isn't gonna be the same shades for the next time. Oh wait, it's like put on the brush.
It's okay, just put it with your finger. This is the colour she created. Custom colour. Just put it on my eye.
Okay. I'm gonna put this brush down, it's confusing me.
I just felt like that went all
Maybe you
over
should
my
just
boot.
apply it to the other eye. Don't bother mixing them.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, that makes a difference. Love. This is what we've got. This is what the eyeshadow's looking like so far.
Oh, eyebrows.
Oh yeah. Okay, so
This is eyebrows, right?
yes.
Oh,
Oh
okay.
my god, how does she know this stuff?
I think we should do some brushing actually.
Okay, just brushing out them eyebrows.
Okay, we want. How do you like your eyebrows?
Do you know what? You feel free to do whatever you want.
Okay, we're just gonna go for natural.
Natural eyebrows. Oh wait, you know.
How's it going, guys?
It's really good.
Even Dia's dad did better than this. But the point is, Dia's dad is a guy, and he did better
Shut up.
than you, who's a girl and is bloody blindfolded.
Yeah, I can't see in general, my G. So like,
Oh.
this was the Laura Mercier eyebrow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. there's 2 more things left: mascara and lipstick.
Okay, we're gonna do mascara.
How to feel?
Okay, you go get the mascara.
Oh yeah.
Put some mascara on. I'm gonna just keep my eyes closed because I think that's the safest way to do this.
Oh Lord. Oh my.
That felt really good. Let's just move on to the next side.
Hey, let's do that.
Oh wow.
I love the eyelashes.
There you go.
Wow, they look really long. Gonna get some lipstick.
Okay.
Pop that
Do
on.
you know which one it is then?
It's definitely a
You know this one.
I do. It's that one that makes the peach stuff.
Too Faced.
her weird lips.
Shut up.
Oh.
I'm just gonna for you.
Oh, blush, really blush.
Can't miss out blush brush, but just to
Oh.
let you know, they're not all blushes in there, so you've got just that's a good tactic. Okay, you got blush on there. Oh,
Okay.
Where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, we're good.
Okay, you ready to see your creation?
I'm actually scared. Wait, I need my glasses.
Okay, ready?
Take a few seconds to get back to life.
Yeah.
Ready? Do you love it? I love it.
I love it. I really love it.
I think I don't imagine what she must have been thinking. Like,
I really, really love it.
Look.
Amazing.
Queen. Queen K-W-E-E-I. And
KKW.
What the hell's that?
I literally-
Leave, literally.
So as you can see, what have you gone for today?
Bronze goddess with a little bit of like
With a little bit of extra eyelashes.
Love them, Scott.
accentuated eyelashes.
I love the lips. I don't even need lip fillers because this is what I'm talking about.
I
Not
think-
even fucking.
I think you look better like this. Like when I
Really good.
Okay, so guys,
we've gone for a bronzy look. She looks amazing. As you can see, her crease is nicely
snatch.
Snatch.
When you watch this back, you're gonna literally laugh.
This eye looks alright, you know. If I didn't mess up the
With the
mascara,
mascara, it would have been fine.
this eye
Not
it
so
doesn't
much.
She
match,
needs
but like
You love the nose highlight. I mean, it's blinding.
yeah, you're blinding.
You put the
me.
whole bloody.
Bronzer.
Look how much bronzer you put. You literally put it on yourself.
My
You literally like.
Your lips are my favourite.
Guys, if you want a makeup tutorial on this look, just comment below because she can obviously film that for you.
I'll make a channel for this
If you
look.
need her for weddings, birthday parties,
Funerals.
Oh lord.
funerals, you're gonna be dead after this. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.
Like, subscribe, comment.
All of that.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.